Welcome to this comprehensive overview of SushiSwap's Onsen feature. SushiSwap is a decentralized exchange built on Ethereum that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies, provide liquidity, and earn rewards through yield farming. Onsen is a feature designed to highlight incentivized liquidity pools with boosted rewards. This tutorial walks you through everything you need to know to get started. First, visit the SushiSwap website and connect your cryptocurrency wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner. SushiSwap supports wallets like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and others. Ensure your wallet has the appropriate tokens you want to use. Once connected, navigate to the Farm or Onsen section from the top menu. In the Onsen menu, you'll see a list of liquidity pools, each with its own pair of tokens and corresponding APR rates. These rates indicate the potential rewards for participating. Select a pool that interests you. If you don't already have the tokens needed, use the swap feature to trade your existing tokens for the ones required. Once you have the necessary tokens, return to the Onsen pool and click Add Liquidity. Enter the amounts of each token you want to contribute, approve the transaction in your wallet, and confirm the action on the blockchain. After adding liquidity, you'll receive Liquidity Provider (LP) tokens in your wallet, representing your share in the pool. Now, stake your LP tokens in the Onsen pool to start earning rewards. Click Stake, approve the transaction, and confirm the amount you wish to stake. Once staked, you'll see your rewards accumulate in real time. You can claim these rewards at any time or reinvest them for compound growth. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Keep an eye on your stake positions and periodically harvest your rewards to maximize your earnings. SushiSwap's Onsen pools often rotate, so check regularly for new opportunities and higher yielding pools. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials on DeFi platforms and hit the like button to support this video.